Back in time, India was divided into 16 Mahajanpads. The Janpads means independent states, and all 16 were independent kingdom. And the most powerful kingdom at that time was Magad, and the king who was ruling Magad was Dhananand. Nanda dynasty was found around 4th century BCE by Mahapadmanand, and Dhananand was the current ruler of Magad. The Magad was the most largest and most powerful kingdom of India at that time. But the king Dhananand was busy in taking higher taxes from his public and torturing them, and the public of Magad were not liking Dhananand. And back in 326 BC, the Battle of Hydaspes fought between Porus and Alexander. The Battle of Hydaspes was fought at River Hydaspes, which is also known as Jhelum River, which is modern day Pakistan now. And after that huge battle, Alexander returned from India, but the risk of invaders was still there in the northern western region of India. Acharya Chanakya, also known as Kautilya and Vishnugupta, he was professor in the Takshashila University, and he has seen the war situation of Battle of Hydaspes at the Jhelum River. So he was knowing the risk of invaders. As he was scholar, so he was knowing that if India will not gonna unite, then invaders will definitely invade in India. So he has a idea of uniting India. To execute this idea, he has gone in Magad to take help of Dhananand and to discuss about detention of invaders in India. And when Chanakya discussed about detention of invaders in India and uniting India, and he has teached ethics of a king to Dhananand, and at that time Dhananand badly insulted Acharya Chanakya and disrespected him. So at that time Chanakya has took resolution to destroy Dhananand. Now Chanakya was having a huge mission of uniting India, and he was finding someone who can become a king of united India and who can unite whole India. Chanakya found a boy named Chandragupta, and he looked at him and he has seen the true talent and leadership qualities in Chandragupta Maurya, and Chanakya has trained him in Takshashila for some years. Chanakya was knowing his true potential, and Chandragupta has followed his guru sincerely. Then after the training of Chandragupta, Chanakya and Chandragupta have made an army, and then they have attacked at the center of Magad, and it was their biggest mistake and they got failed first time. Chanakya has taken lesson from his failure. As they have attacked at the center of Magad, it was their biggest mistake. Then they have learned from their mistake, and then they have done more planning. They have started winning weaker regions of Magad. And finally in 321 BCE, the final war started between Mauryas and Nandas, and this battle was won by Chandragupta Maurya and Acharya Chanakya. And Chanakya has finally completed his resolution of destroying Dhananand and making a king who will unite whole India. It was the new era of India started from 321 BCE, and Mauryas have further done expansion of their empire. And after the death of Alexander, his governor general Seleucus became the king of his empire, and he renamed the empire as Seleucid Empire. And then he also again tried to invade in India, and the huge war occurred between Indians and Greeks, and Seleucus lost this war and he has surrendered in front of Chandragupta. And after it, the peace deal was done between Indians and Greeks, and after that peace deal, the Greeks have never tried to invade in India. And India has never faced any sort of invasion during Mauryan period. To save India from invaders, this was the major reason due to which Mauryan Empire was created. And there were so many special things and special qualities of Mauryan Empire which we can discuss in future video. So if you have liked this video, then hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and comment about the video for sure. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.